morning children, this 4th class maths. Today I am going to start S4 circle chart in log 25. Children, we have learned different types of graphs by collecting the data and in the different categories. That is tally marks, pictograph and bar graph. Okay, today we learn circle chart. What is circle chart? Circle chart. Circle chart are made by dividing the circle in a way that it shows different categories. It makes comparison easy between different categories. Circle chart are made by dividing the circle in a way that it shows different categories. It makes comparison easy between different categories. So circle chart also called pie chart. Okay, children. Now I will show example. For example, here I am showing favorite fruits of students class 4 and 5. See, this is the table. Here number of students, favorite fruits. See, 25 students likes apple, 20 students like orange, 30 students likes mango, 25 students like grapes. Now this data I am showing the circle chart, how to mark in the circle chart. So this is the circle. In this circle, how to mark this data? See, first if you divide the circle to equal parts. So if you think this is full 100 students, so if we divide equal 2 parts, each part is how much, children? 50, 50. Suppose if we divide 4 parts, each part is 25, 25, 25, 25. So now 25 students like apple. So this part, this is the 25 now, children. I am marking here 25 students like apple. So this is apple. Next, 20 students like orange. So 20 students like orange. Now 20 students children likes orange. But this part is how much? 25. So you have to mark, you have to take 20. Only 20 students like here orange. So you have to take little less. Okay, this is 20%. So this is what, children? This is orange. Next, 30 students likes mango. This is 25. This is 30. Okay, here you have to made less no, children. This is 20. We have taken here 20. So this part is how much? 30. So now it is take 25 is grapes. Now this is 30%. 30% is like, children, what? Mango. So we will take this is mango, children. Mango. So now I hope you understood how to mark in the circle chart. Okay, you have to see the table. According to that, you have to divide the circle and mark the number of students. Okay. Now open your workbook. We'll do workbook service. Open your workbook, page number 48. Date 3/3/2021. S4 circle charts. First question. 100 students went for a picnic. Of the 100 students, 50 students had parotas, 25 students had sandwiches, and the rest 25 students had pizza. Show this data using a circle chart and a bar graph. Okay, children, here this you have to show here in the circle of this data. So now first what you have to do, you have to divide this circle. How many parts? 2 parts. So divide equally 2 parts, children. Okay, 50, 50. Here out of this is circle, full circle is 100. Out of 100, 50 students likes parotas. So you have to mark here parathas. And students had sandwiches. 25 students had sandwiches. Rest of 25 students has pizza. This 50 you have to 50 part you have to divide again 2 equal parts. So here this 50 students likes sandwiches and 25 students had pizza. Okay, children. Now this. So same this data you have to show it in bar graph. Children, in previous class we learned about bar graph. See this I draw here vertical line, horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. This is y-axis. So you have to label, children. X-axis you have to label name of the food. Y-axis number of students. First you have to draw bar graph. 50 students likes parotas. So you have to take 50 till here mark it, children. Okay, and you have to take thickness of the bar is exact 1 centimeter, and with the scale you have to mark like this here 50, near 50. Okay, this is parotas. Next, 25 students likes sandwiches. Where is 25? Here. Okay, now again here take thickness 1 centimeter. Okay, here what it is, children, this is sandwich. Next, last one, 25 students likes pizza. Same 25 students. Near 25 you have to mark, children. This is pizza. Okay, now second question. The following circle chart shows the information of 200 students. Favorite subjects. Answer the following questions on the basis of the chart. Favorite subject. A bit, which subject is like the most? How many students like that subject? Children, this circle full, here we have taken this circle full as 100 students. Here this circle you have to take as 200. Why? It is given here 200 students. So if we divide circle 2 parts, so each part is how much? 100, 100. Okay, again if we divide these 2 parts, it will be 50, 50. Okay, now here they are asking which subject is like the most. How many subjects like that subject? How many students like that subject? Which is like the subject most, children? English. Right? You have to write the answer with your own. How many students like that subject? How many students? See, I explained on our children. This is 100 students like subject. That subject. Okay. Now B bit. Which subject is like the least? How many students like that subject? See, which subject is like least here? Maths. So each part is how much? This part is 100. These two parts is how much? 50, 100, 150, 50. So in out of 50, if we divide, each part is 25, 25. But this is science, social science is more than 25. So this you have to take 20, this you have to take 30. So 20 is the number. 20 students like the least math subject. How many? 20 students. So now science, how many students like science? That you have to write it your own answer. Okay children, this second bit you do it as homework. I hope you understood. We'll complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you. Write date 3/3/2021 S4 circle chart. 100 students went for a picnic. Of the 100 students, 50 students had parotas, 25 students had sandwiches, and the rest 25 students had pizzas. Show this data using a circle chart and bar graph. Okay, now I'll show children. This is, you think this is the 100 students. I'll divide this circle half part. If we divide half part, each part is how much? 50, 50. See, out of 50 students, out of 100 students, 50 students are brought parotas, this, and 25 students had sandwiches. So 25 students, again this part you have to divide two equal parts. So now 25, 25. These 25 students have sandwiches, and 25 students has pizza. Okay. Now this same data you have to show it in bar graph. Children, as you know how to draw bar graphs, you have to draw vertical axis and horizontal axis. Horizontal axis you label name of the food, this is number of students. Okay, here one student is equal to 5. So here parotas, how many children brought parotas? 50 students. So till here mark it 50 students, and 25 students sandwiches, exact on 20 till here you mark and draw bar graph, and 25 students are pizza. Okay, I hope you understood. We'll meet in, this second bit you do it as homework. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.